Hey guys, so I know we haven't been uploading videos recently. It's just because that we have this party coming up December the 10th. I'm a fish fry and stuff, so we'll be promoting it and stuff. I wish I could show you guys like my shirt as the party December the 10th. It's a fish fry and name and stuff. So yeah, it's the party name is Chromaz Beaches and Browning, and it's going to be December the 10th. So that's why we've been busy like promoting the dance and stuff. So that's why I haven't been filming. But I already recorded, so I pre-record some videos. So I will start having videos from now on, and plus still planning my wedding, so obviously there are going to be a lot more videos and stuff. But we're just out chilling out at Dead End with my cousin and my cousin. I'm just showing you guys my hat and my choker and stuff. Hope you guys can see because it's really dark, but yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys who we're out here with. So we're just here sitting and chilling. The beach is so freaking warm at night. So yeah. Yeah. Cause wifey. Maybe well a cousin. Wait. Well then, yeah, the Aussie. Yeah, then two you ever the cuss. When I see them in a video, then ever the cuss. Yeah. Aussie. Must be a sleep fit, man. You love it? Give me this. So this will be the what Chromaz? No, and then they are only Chromaz there. We are chocolate.
So girl, hear me to them.
We are
Chromaz, which is black girl. I have bleachers and brown, which is brown girl. So
alright, no, so
that's Chromaz, bleachers and brown. So
Chromaz, yeah, cause Chromaz are brown, naturally brown girl,
yeah.
and bleachers are people with bleach.
So then claims the Chromaz.
I'm browning a browning. Them stupid. The beach is so peaceful. Wait, and see my choker now. Yeah. So we'll be having constant videos from now on. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. You okay? Why? Video did it. Oh my god. I'll put this on YouTube, you know. Yeah, tell the world something in and on drugs. Me in a panty.
The world's gonna go real thing tonight.
The beach warm, you know. A long time when I put up video in Andre. We're gonna start put up video more often. We're just busy at plan one dance. Try to show them a choker. Yeah. You. Oh, with the fam.